I can see bad pixels. Alright, this is 720 30 FPS. 720 30 FPS. Alright, 1080 30 FPS, and as soon as I put it in 1080 I can see all these dead pixels, even on the tiny little screen here. Now obviously it's not dead pixels in the actual receiver, because it works fine in 2K, 4K, so that's 1080p at 30 FPS. Alright, and now we're at 2K at 30 FPS. So I'll keep shooting the black because it makes those dropped pixels look easier to see, the dropped pixels. So 2K 30 FPS. Alright, and now we are shooting 4K 30 FPS. So 4K 30 FPS. I am going to end by going back to 1080p 30 FPS, just so we can show again the issue I'm having with the pixels. Alright, so again, this currently 4K 30 FPS, and now 1080p 30 FPS, and instantly you can see these pixels. Don't know what's up with that. What's going on? Do I need a new camera?